Start. Okay, last week up to Git we are completed, but we have pending only Git revert one command only it is pending. Remaining everything is I already shared you guys documents and everything. Okay, today we are going to finish that one also one command also. I am going to be that one. I'm going to be git bash here. So Git revert only pending. Okay, remaining everything I already told you guys. This Git workflow also I told you, and this one also. These three are undo commands only. Okay, soft and hard and commands. Okay, this is for your task only. I will tell you later how to do it. Okay, I already told you git reset and git reset commit ID. And today we are going to discuss about this git revert. What is git revert? When the developer has been pushed the code wrongly to the remote repository. Remote repository means it is a GitHub, guys. Remote repository means it is a GitHub. Okay, and then he will do the revert. That means he has to do the undo the changes. Okay, undo the changes where he is going to be changed. He is going to be changed in that file. Okay, which file he is going to be pushed in remote repository. That file he is going to be undo the changes. Okay, then that time what will be happen? It will be created as a new commit ID, guys. It will be created as a new commit ID, and then poorly it is a remote site changes. Okay, it will be we are going to tell it is a remote site changes. Okay, or else if you are going to tell on local changes also, it will be coming on local also. Okay, because it will be creating as a new commit ID and we are going to push with new file. Okay, that means we are going to be as a modified that file and we are going to be commit one more time and it will give as a new commit ID. Okay, and local also it will be possible, guys. Okay, remote and local. I will give it here remote and local site changes. Okay. So I'm going to show you. We already done local site changes, but we are going how we are going to then undo changes because we already used this git reset command. Okay, git reset, git checkout command, and git reset commit ID command also we already used, guys. Okay, see, we already have used this undo the changes in working area. Okay, index and staging area complete complete reset commit ID, it will become as it is in local repository. Okay, it will be goes to the local. It is that means local means in your computer directly it will be goes. Okay, we already done this starting second class itself only. Okay, now we are going to do in remote side. That's what I written as a remote there. Okay, okay. Today I'm going to create TOHH touch one file. Okay, file name is I'm going to create Jenkins one. Okay, Jenkins one file. So I'm going to add this file, git add dot. Okay, git commit hyphen m. Okay, git commit hyphen m Jenkins one. Okay, I'm going to give a message. Okay, I'm going to see git log. See, always it shows the reset command. Reset command head it will be shows. Okay, so I'm going to be put this. I'm going to be git push. Git push origin also you can done, or else git push also you can directly done, guys. Okay, see here. Now it is a 60 commits. Okay, total 60 commits are available. And I am going to push the see here. Still I didn't push. Totally 60 commits are there. Okay, I'm going to push this. See, whenever I'm going to push, you can see here, I'm going to be refresh this. See here. 62 commits, it has automatically came. Okay. So I'm going to show you here git log. Any other comments are sorry, git log. Okay. See, it is only Jenkins one only, it is there. Okay. Jenkins one only, it is there, guys. Okay. It is a head command. It is always shows to head command. So now I want to do, okay, git revert. Unfortunately, I pushed this Jenkins one file because I need to add something in that file. Okay. So wrongly I pushed it. See, whenever I'm going to push, you can see this git log. Here it is. Whenever I'm going to be done, it is a regular file. It is giving as a on commit ID. Okay. So I want to do git revert, guys. Git revert. Okay. Always it is showing as a latest commit Jenkins one. If you want, you can go and take this one also, this JSS one also. But which file I have to do? This Jenkins one only. Okay. Jenkins one message file only I have sent it, right? So I will take this commit ID, or else you can take this head also, you can take latest one. But companies, they will take it as a commit ID. Okay. It is in real time. Okay. I'm going to be take it as a commit ID, guys. See here, whenever I'm going to be revert command, it is asking this revert commits. It is the commit ID, that 40 digits commit ID. Please enter the commit message for your changes. Okay. It will be asking, please enter your, what are the commit changes it is asking. Okay. So I'm going to be save this one, Q. Okay. Now I'm going to give git log, guys. See, it is a Jenkins one, right? Which is I committed directly. Okay. After whenever I did this git revert, okay, git revert I done, right? In this same file only. Okay. See, unfortunately, I have sent this commit to remote repository. Okay. So I have some mistakes in this file. Okay. So I am going to be see create Jenkins. That is the file only, right? Only Jenkins I given. Okay. 19. I have that. I'll create it here. Just a minute. Which file I have created, guys? I will see it here. Because it is committed, right? See Jenkins one, right? I'm going to be this file I'm going to. Oh, that means I already created Jenkins. Both files are it is already available. Okay. So just a minute. It's not going to be closed, so I'm going to be close forcefully, guys. Okay. Don't worry. Okay, git log I will show you for your clarification. It is the Jenkins file one. Okay, if I want to modification, I have to do that. But it is a similar files are available. It is getting some confusion. That's what I'm going to be creating one more file, guys. Okay, COU, sorry, touch DOU ch touch. I'm going to be create a new file. That file name is I'm going to be create as a Kubernetes or else cube. Okay, cube file I created git add dot is dot git commit hyphen m k1 like that. I'm going to be create git log. You can see, guys, it is only K1. Always it is showing head, it will be showing recent commit only. Okay, always it is showing reset commit only. Okay, I'm going to be with this one. Going to be clear. Git push. It is already came here now. See, commits are increasing. Okay, K1 commit, recent commit. Okay, that is it here. It is showing. Okay, so I'm going to be show you git log one more time because it is a single commit only. Now I'm going to do this one git revert, guys. Git, git revert. Git revert that commit ID. Instead of commit ID, I'm going to give this head also. See here. So I'm going to be save this one. Okay. Now you can see git log. It will be given as a new commit ID. Okay. So now I want to change some file. VIQ. Insert mode. This is new cube file. Like that, they are going to be edit. Developer will be going to push his code and he is going to be add some of the changes in that same file. And again, is going to be add some of the changes. Okay. K1 changes. Like this is going to be changed. So now you can see git log. K1 changes. Whenever he has done git revert, that time he is going to be here. He is going to be write a one message. Whenever he has done that message, is going to be written. Okay. Which file he is going to be taking that K1 changes. You can take that commit ID. Okay. Automatically it will become same file. Okay. Just now I showed you. Okay. See, same K1 changes now I given that same file git push. See, K1 changes, it is came, guys. See, it is available. K1 changes. File is single file only. You can see data is came or not. Data is came. This is new cube. I added now this line only. Okay, this is new cube like that I added. Before I given only K1, it is a empty only. Okay, you can see here. There's a K1 change. Okay, earlier I have done one changes, right? Only K1, but that one is not available now. You can see same similar like that are going to be doing real time also. Okay, these are the read, guys. See, these are the interview questions. It is very, very important. Last time also I told you. See what is git fetch, what is git pull, git tree base, git merge, git conflicts. Okay, you can tell whenever you get here. I already given as some examples also. Okay, for available, where is the source file, where is the destination file, then you are going to be clear that message. Okay, it will be give. Okay, we already done this git difference and git squash and all those things. We are not done this with crash, guys, because it is a multiple commits. It will be shows only single commit. Okay, instead of this we are going to use git rebase and all those things. Okay, git reset also you can use because it will be giving as a linear commit. Okay, we already seen that, but it is written as a only for interview purpose only. Okay, don't confuse what is git stash and git stash. Sometimes they will ask us sqsh crash or stash. Okay, git stash means temporarily save. Okay, temporarily save. Okay, git pop means git pop. Also, it will become git stash pop. Okay, it will begin as a untashing of your stash temporary file save. Okay, don't forget. Okay, what is git? You already know that what is git and all those things. Okay, what is git? You can explain all these 3 points. It is very bullet points. Nobody will be. Don't tell in single line answers. At least give 3 lines. Okay, that's what I written here. Only 3 lines. If they will ask, it is a centralized, decentralized. Why you are going to go for that? Okay, there is a centralized version control system is a single point of failure. Okay, it is a single point of failure, but it is not like that. Local and remote, we can save the files. Okay, that's what we are going to distributed a decentralized version control system. Okay, they will ask what is a Git terminologies. Okay, what is a client server architecture? How we are going to be check that versions and all those things. Okay, so Git version. See here it is a give as a version in Windows. Windows only I install. Okay, that's what it is showing like this. Okay, we're going to be installed like this way. Okay, and Git cloning and Git fork we already done practically also. Theoretical part also I already covered, guys. Okay, but it is very important. All the what are we discussed earlier, all the things are very important for interview point of view. But Git is a developer tool only. Okay, where we are going to be involved in Git, we are going to be involved only these three, these 4 major parts only. Okay, one is release branch, another one is pull request, another one is tag. Okay, tag is nothing but versioning only, this release branch only. Okay, but I given like this. Okay, don't forget. GitHub, how to take a backup. I'm going to show you while you are going to discuss in AWS. AWS, okay? Don't worry about it. Okay, okay. It is finished. Today, no topic is Maven, guys. Our new topic is Maven. Yeah, our new topic is Maven, guys. Maven is a build tool, guys. Maven is a build tool. For that, I have to open what is build tool. You're going to ask what is build tool. Okay, what is Apache Maven? Okay. Before that, see, Git is a Microsoft. I already told you guys. Okay. Git Bash is Linux. Okay. Okay. GitHub is Microsoft one. Okay. This one is Apache. Apache is a company well known for the open source products like Maven and Hadoop, Tomcat, Elasticsearch. There is a lot of things is available. Okay. Here we are going to discuss about that. Maven is a build tool. Okay. Maven is a build tool. We are going to be discuss about this the Maven. Okay. Maven is a powerful build tool, guys. Maven is a powerful build tool. Okay. And it is a dependency management tool also. Okay. Dependency management tool also for Java based projects. That means Java software projects. Okay. Maven is only used for only Java based, guys. Only Java based. Okay. Only Java based projects only we are going to use Apache Maven. Apache means it is a company, guys. Okay. Maven is a build tool. Apache is a company. Okay. It is a powerful build and dependency management tool for Java software projects. For Java software projects. Maven is a primarily known for the build and dependency management. How it can do more on that. Okay. More on that means what is the Maven will be do. Okay. We can see here. Okay. Maven is a build tool. I told you, right? It is a what are the activities more on that. Here I have written as a more on that. You can see here organize the project specific files. Okay, in your projects it will be organized in your project. What are the files? It is total files. It is going to be handled by Maven only. It is handled by the Maven only. Okay, and here is a compiling the source code, guys. You already know that compiling and interpreted. Okay, interpreted means line by line it will be going to be read. Okay, line by line it is going to be read. But compile means all the Java based project, it is a compiling only. Compiling means it is at a time entire code will be read, guys. Entire code will be read. That automatically this Maven will be take care. Okay. Source code means we already told you source code means nothing but our program, guys. Okay, nothing but our program. Don't be confused. Okay. And after compiling, it will be generating the documentation for your source code. Okay. After compiling, it is generating the documentation for your source code, guys. Okay, that means we are going to be write as a generating a one document also. Okay, and runs the JUnit and integrates the test cases. Okay, actually, man, defaultly it will be runs the JUnit test case. JUnit means Java, guys. JUnit means Java and integrates the some of the test cases. What are the test cases are available while you are going to be build that time I will show you. Okay, see here is what is JUnit. Okay, what is JUnit? You're going to be asked what is your JUnit. Before that, see after we are going to be compile and documentation everything. See it is create a software deployable package. How it is going to be create after build. Whenever you are going to be do build by using this Maven tool, that means there is a command will be there, mvn command. Okay, Maven always starts with mvn command. Git always starts with git, guys. Okay, like that we are going to be using Maven commands. It will be there. It will be always starts with mvn. Okay, so see after compiling, it will be giving as a documentation package also, creating a software deployable package. Creating a create a software deployable package. That package is available in var files and year files and jar file, guys. Okay, that package will be available in var, year or jar file. Var means web archive. Year means enterprise archive, guys. J means Java archive, guys. Okay, web archive, enterprise archive, Java archive, guys. It will be giving as a archive means archive means it is a zip file, guys. Nothing but zip, guys. Okay, see entire our source code it is providing as a in zip file. Okay, it is in a zip file. Okay, in that zip file it will be coming as a some extension, right? See what is that extension? Var, year or jar file. Why it is coming var or jar files? We are going to sorry, we are going to here using as a Java software projects only. Okay, that's what we're going to be getting as a like this only. Okay, web archive, enterprise archive, Java archive. Okay, here is see, it is runs automatically. Maven runs automatically JUnit test cases. Okay, JUnit test cases are some integration test cases. Okay, what is JUnit test cases? You can see here, JUnit is a frame for automatic unit test case. Unit testing. Unit testing means unit means single, guys. Unit means single. That means in your project there is a test case will be there. That means automatically when you written the code, while it is going to be compiling the your code, that time automatically it is going to be test internally, guys. Internally. Okay, internally it is automatically test. Who will be test here? Automatically it will be test by this one only. This Java. Sorry, JUnit test case only. That means it is already available in this Maven only. Okay. Okay. Whenever we add any new feature to the software, we need to restart with all functionalities, right? See, whenever we're going to be add any new feature, say for example, login you done, right? A login it will be taking as a starting time 15 minutes or 15 seconds it is taking as a login time. So I'm going to be add within a second. I'm going to be add as a that is one of the new feature, or else you're going to be take it as a any other microservice also you can take like that. Okay, see you're going to be add as a some personal details like that. You are going to be add any software, guys. Any software means any feature are going to be add to your software. Your software means here is a your source code, guys. Nothing but your source code. Okay, sometimes I'm using a software source code. Okay, all programming. Okay, all comes under your software only. Okay, don't forget. Okay, with new feature are going to be added. That time you're going to be restart the all the functionalities. Okay, developer write this JUnit test case. Who are right this JUnit test case? Developers only. Okay, that time this JUnit test case automatically it will be restart whenever you've done that this build will mvn build, mvn package, mvn install. There is a life cycles also, it will be there. I'm going to tell you that one. Okay. Another one is integrating testing, guys. See, this JN test case will be run by this maven only. But this integration tests, this integration test will be do who will be do here? Integration test case are written by the QA team, guys. QA. You already know that in company inside there is a testing team also will be there, like a dev team. Dev means developers team, guys. Okay, like a QA team, like a network team, like a administrator team, like a QA team also will be available. These people will be integration the testers end to end, guys, end to end flow. That means whenever your source code starting to ending, guys, okay, they are going to be test entire thing. See, what are the tools they are going to use? Selenium, QTP also you hear or not, I don't know. QTP also is there, QAT is there for automation integration, the testing. This can be integrated the build tools like a Maven. Okay, whenever you've done these integrations, okay, see, integration it will become under Jenkins, guys. That time I will show you how to integrate this Maven and Jenkins test cases and these integration tests also. We have a one more tool. It is a Sonar Cube. It will be there. Okay, that is static code analysis. That one is different. Okay, here is integration testing, guys. Here is integration testing means it will be done by the Selenium testing or QAT testing, guys. You should be work with the team. They are going to give us a one script to integrate to your Jenkins tool. Okay, that time I will tell you. Okay, don't worry. Okay, now just remember they will ask in interview also. Okay, how many teams you worked with in your project, like that they will ask. Okay, that time you should be explained. Okay, what is J test case, what is integration testing, and all those things they will ask in an interview. Okay, see, we already discussed about these things. Okay. Oh, see, WAR stands for Web Archive, EAR stands for Enterprise Archive, like that. Okay, we already discussed, guys. Java Archive, like that. Okay, sorry, come down. See, and what is the dependencies management? Okay, what is dependency management? See, dependency management means our project wants to use a framework, right? Just before I told you. Okay, see, here is JUnit is a framework. Okay, JUnit is a framework for automatic unit testing. Okay, for which purpose we are going to use these JUnit test cases? For automating. See, what is this framework? That means whenever you are going to be add any features, okay, that time it is automatically will be restart with all functionalities. Okay, this JUnit test case who will be written? Developers will be written, guys. Okay, don't forget. Developers will be written this JUnit test case and all those things. But integration test cases who will be written? QA and Selenium testing, guys. That means separate testing people will be there. They are going to be written these all these things. Okay, don't forget. Okay, see here, our project wants to be a our project wants to use a framework. Frameworks comes as a jar file, guys. Frameworks comes as a jar file. This jar is a our project dependency. This jar is, see here I written as a jar only, but war file also it will become, and year file also it will be. Companies inside mostly it will become as a year or jar files only, guys. Okay, company inside, because company, every company they are going to be purchasing the enterprises versions. Okay, because they will provide as a more security. It is a licensed versions, guys. It is a licensed versions. If some people they are going to be used as a jar also, why jar or war files will be using? It is a open source. It is a open source. Okay, it is a open source, guys. Okay, it is a open source. That's why they are going to be used. Okay, another one is, you can see here. Just a minute, guys. Minute. Hello, where we are? See, we are in under dependencies. Okay. See, don't worry. What is the dependency? Simply, I'm going to tell you. It is an additional feature to your project, guys. Additional feature. Okay. Additional features to your project. See, your project means your software, guys. Your project means your source code. Okay. Okay. Another one is transitive dependency. See here, I'm going to tell you small example. There is a our project is there. Okay, our project. See, first I added as a AJAR. Second type I'm added as a under. Okay. See, I'm going to tell you here. See what it will be available here. There is a parent dependency. There is a child dependency. See here, a dependency on which our dependencies are depending on. Okay, depends on like this. See, for example, this depending our project is depending on AJAR. See, this AJAR depends on BBA. Here only it is called as a transitive dependency. See, if I'm going to tell you this one is a parent, another one is child, guys. Another one is child. I will show you where this will be comes in. There is one form.xml file will be there. In that I will show you guys. Don't worry. Okay. I already written some of the here also, but I will complete first this one. Okay. Okay. These are dependency management. Here you can see Maven automatically manages the dependencies and transitive dependencies by downloading them from the Maven repositories. Okay, where we are going to download? There is a Maven repositories will be there. Okay, in that we are going to be downloaded. See, okay, in companies, they are having a remote repository. Okay, companies, they are having a remote repository, guys. See here, it is available maintained with the organization, guys. Maintained with the organization. Okay. See here, central repository maintained over internet. Over internet means it is a public, guys. That means everybody can able to access that one. Okay. This one nobody will be recommended, guys, in real time. Okay. Companies, they have a remote repository. Inside remote repository, what are the dependencies they required? Developer will be download. Okay. Another one is local repository. Maintain our local machines. They are going to be download for the developers. That time they are going to be stored internally. They are going to be build their project, and whenever after he changes the code, he will check internally also. Okay. That time end to end, it is going to be checked here. See, we already discussed end to end check somewhere, right? See, it will be restart and end to end check also. We already see where it is. When we added, we already discussed it, guys. No problem. See, whenever we are going to be add any new features, okay. Okay, that time it is going to be checked. It is going to be checked everywhere. Okay, it is going to be checked end to end means that time QA team also it is going to be available, guys. Okay, but internally developer is checking time. There is no QA team, guys. That time dev team only it will be checked. Once he is going to be push his code into the remote repository, that means GitHub. After that only this build tool will be work and everything. This QA team and dev team and everybody will be comes. Okay. Don't worry. See here. These are the repositories. When we run the first time build mav and download the dependencies from the central remote. Okay. When he is going to be run that first time, guys. First time. That means when it is the scratch. Okay. When it is a scratch, guys. Okay. When it is a scratch, not under development stage. Okay. See, when it is a scratch means it is a initial stage. Okay. That time only it will become. That's what here I written as a first time Maven downloads the dependencies from central remote. And next time onwards picks the dependency from local missions, guys. From local missions. See, after that, we are going to be changes some of the changes as per our requirement. Okay, as per our requirement, we are going to be change our application. Always, what are the new features we are going to be add? As per that only, we are going to be changing, guys. Okay. After that, whenever we are going to run, as per that only it will be run. Okay, and they are going to be store those repositories into that remote repository also, because some new people, new developer will be joined. That time he also need some dependencies. That time he is going to be take those dependencies from this remote repository. That's what here is going to be written as a organization level. Okay. Okay. Maven having a form.xml, guys. Maven having a form.xml. Say configuration file, guys. It's a configuration file used by the Maven only. Used by the Maven only to perform the some of the tasks. To perform some of the tasks. Okay. Maven looks Maven always looks for form.xml file, guys. Maven always looks for form.xml file in the current directory only. That means, see, whenever you want to run any maven commands, okay, mun maven, okay, mun clean package, mun clean install, mun clean verify, like that, you have to run any maven commands. That time, this maven always looks for this form.xml file, yes, this form.xml file. I will tell you what is this form.xml file also. Don't worry, okay? Here only it is written, okay? You can see here what is form stands project object model, guys. Project object model. Okay. See, when we run that maven commands, always it is looks for this file, form.xml file, form.xml file only. Okay. See, this is the form.xml file. So you here also. It is a form.xml file, guys. It is a form.xml file. Okay. It is a form.xml file. Okay, I will explain this. What are the things it is available in this form.xml file and everything. Okay. Don't worry. Up to now, it is going to be discuss about these things. Okay. So this group ID, artifact ID, everything I will let you know. Okay. Don't worry. Maven some of the plugins also, guys. Okay. Maven some plugins. We are going to be used. These plugins always reusable, guys. Plugins is nothing but additional functions to be adding to your tool. See, that means again one more features, guys. That means one more dependency like that you can take it. Okay, but plugin will be used always additional functionalities to your tool. Tool means here what tool here I'm going to use? Maven, guys. Okay, these plugins we are going to be used as a again reusability, guys. Again reusability. Okay. These things, all these things I will explain. Okay, don't worry. All these files and all those things I already written in another file because before we are going, we have to discuss all these things. That's what. Okay. See, here I written as a Maven as a build tool. Okay. First, here I come as a Maven as a build tool. Okay. Maven is who's developed this Maven build tool? Apache company, guys. Apache company. See, here I'm giving as some example. Okay. Here I give as some example. Developer is written the code into his local laptop. Guys. He has written the code into his local laptop. That means programming, guys. That means source code. Okay. That means source code. Okay. Then he's going to push his code into the remote repository. Remote repository means it is a GitHub, guys. It is a GitHub. Okay. By using after GitHub, see every developer will be take as a Maven tool. Okay. Why we are going to be taking as a Maven? We are going to use as a only Java based projects only. See, Maven is working for only Java based projects only, guys. Man is worked for only Java based projects only. Okay, don't be confused. Another tool also will be there. There is a Gradle, one more tool also is there. Okay, but here we are going to use as a Maven. Okay, Maven is used for only Java based projects. Okay, in this, by using this Maven, I'm going to do the build, guys. I'm going to do build. Okay, I'm going to do build. Okay, after build, it will be creating as a some packages. Okay, it will be creating as a some packages. What are those packages? Will become var or jar here files. It will become, guys. Okay, var or jar files. It will become. Okay. Later I will discuss about this part. Okay. Up to after build, it will be creating a some packages. These packages will become as a some var or here files. Okay. I already told you what is the var, jar, or here files. Okay. See, Maven having a in old days there is a Ant also will be there. Okay, Ant tool. Earlier days, everybody is using Ant tool, guys. Ant tool. What is the difference between Ant tool also build tool only, maven also build tool only. Now recently Gradle also is came. Okay, Gradle also is came. Gradle also build tool only. Okay, but here main difference of maven and this Ant. We can see here. See, maven work for only Java based projects. Here also Ant also it is work for only Java based projects. Maven has a life cycle rules, guys. Maven has a life cycle rules, but Ant does not have any life cycle rules. Ant does not have any life cycle rules. Maven works for project object model. Project object model is this form.xml file only. It will be work. Maven works for only this form.xml file only. Okay. Here, Ant will be work only build.xml file. See, this tool will be very old tool, guys. But for why I'm going to tell you this tool and tool, because of it is also build tool. It is very old tool. In interview point, everybody will be asked what is the difference between the Maven and Ant. Okay, Maven and Ant. See, here Maven works for only pom.xml file. Ant will be work only build.xml file, guys. Build.xml file. Okay. Maven has a plugins, guys. Maven has a plugins. Okay. It will be giving us a additional feature to your project or your tool. You can mention as a your project or your tool. That means extra features it will be given, guys. Okay. You can see Maven checks the dependencies here. Maven check the dependencies and does not check the dependencies, guys. We already discussed about transitive dependencies and dependencies. We already checked. Okay. See here, and as a scripts, and as a scripts, and these scripts are not usable, guys. But here, man, having a JUnit test case. See, these JUnit test case will be written as a developer only. By default, also it will be run, guys. By default, also it will be run. Whenever you've done this maven build, okay, that time default also it will become, guys. Okay, I will show you. I will take only small one and I will show you. Don't worry, I will show you one project. Okay, maven has a plugins. I already show you these plugins, so you can able to reusable to one project to another project. But here we don't have any plugins, first of all. Okay, and does not check the any dependencies also, and as a scripts. Okay, those scripts are non-usable. Okay, these things. Okay, but here we are going to use this form.xml file. We are going to be used. Okay, this is the main difference between the Ant and Maven, guys. Everybody will be asked Maven, what is the difference between the Maven and Ant? Okay, this is only for interview purpose. If you want, they will ask only, you can tell, otherwise don't tell. If you are using in your Java based projects, you can use only Maven as a build tool. Okay. Okay, see here, Maven works. I told you form.xml file, right? See, form.xml file means project object based model. Project object based model I written here. Okay. See here, every project, okay, every project has a one form.xml file only. Every project there is a one form.xml file only. This form.xml file will be written by developers only. Will be written by developers only. Okay. And this form.xml should be unique name. Should be unique name, guys. Okay. Should be unique name. Form.xml. And every project has a one form.xml file only. Then don't have a form.xml file, one.xml file, two like this. Okay. It will be only one form.xml file only. That will be unique only. That will be unique only, guys. And this form.xml file has a some of the fields will be there, guys. Some of the fields will be there. Okay. What are those fields? See here. One is group ID, guys. One is group ID. Group ID means your client name or your project name. See here, I took as a SBI. Okay, my client is SBI, or else my project is some finance. Okay, finance project also I can written here, but I written only SBI. Okay, For example, I given here, guys. Another one is artifact. Artifact ID is nothing but future name, guys. Artifact is nothing but future name, guys. See here, I written as a credit card as a future. Okay, credit card is a one future I written here. Okay, for example. Okay, and another one is version ID, guys. Another one is version ID. In this version ID, we have a three field, guys. We have a three field. Whenever we discuss in Git, okay, there is a Git tag is there. V 1.0, 1.2.0 like that. But there is a updation and upgradation will be there. Updation means 1.2.0, 1.3.0 like that it will become 1.3.33, 32, 31 like that it will become, guys. Okay. Every software it will become like that only. Okay. Every software if you can check any software or else it will become as a 13, 12, 14, 15 like that it will become. Okay, that means upgradation, guys. That means upgradation. See, here is a three fields are available. What are these three fields? One is major field, guys. Major field means this is a version, 8 version. Okay, major release means it is a major release means it is a 8 version. Minor release, minor release means 8.2. It is a minor release. Last one is 0.0, it will become hot fix or bug fix releases. We already discussed what is hot fix and what is bug fix also. Okay. So if you can see, if you can take any softwares, you can see 8.2, 8.21, 8.23 like that. Okay. If anything it will become here, there is a bug, it will be there. They are going to be fixed 8.2.1, 8.1.2 like this it will become, guys. Okay. Just before we already seen it bash also. Yeah. Git hyphen first. See if you can see here 2.46.0. Okay, that is the Git version, guys. That is the Git version. If you can see any software also, you can see in your mobile software also, you can go and check in your phone. There is a 12.0 like that. There is a software will be there. Okay, every software has a versions, guys. Every software has a versions. Okay, those version IDs, it will be coming as a like this 8.2.0, 8.2.0, like this it will become. There is a three fields it will be available. First one is major field. Under major field or major release, guys. Okay, I'm going to tell you as a fields like that. You can see here releases also you can take. Okay, major release, minor release, art fix and bug fix, guys. Okay. See, whenever I'm going to use this maven build, it will begin as a compiling, guys. It will become the entire code. It is going to be as a compiling. Okay, compiling, guys. After compiling, it will begin as a some packages. Those packages will be coming as a var or ER or jar files, guys. Var or ER or jar files. It will become. Okay. See this. I'm going to tell you later. This properties where we're going to be add what is this thing later I will tell you, guys. This one and all those things is another tool. Okay, it is another tool. Okay, this next is also another tool, guys. Before that we already discussed these dependencies. Okay, we already discussed about these dependencies, guys. Okay, what we discuss already written here. See, we our project want to use the framework. Framework comes as a jar or jar are here are jar files. It will become to our project. Nothing but our project having a new framework, guys. New framework means you can see here. That means new features, guys. Framework means is a new features. We are going to be adding as a new features to our software, guys. New features to our software. Okay. That is the dependencies here. That is the dependencies. Okay. See, man, having a plugins. I already told you. I will show you in these plugins how to we are going to use and all those things in while we are going to discuss in Jenkins, guys. While we are going to discuss in Jenkins. Okay. See, every man has a only one pom.xml file only. Okay, that is called as a super pom or parent pom, guys. Super pom or parent pom. Okay, it is defaultly it will be created, guys. Okay, see how it will become. It is automatically inheritance. It is say that means inheritance means there is a father and child, it will be there. What are the qualities available in father, same thing it will be comes to the child also. That is called as a inheritance to this normal form.xml file also. This will be provided by the who developers will be write this form.xml file, guys. Okay, this we already discussed. See, somebody they will call as maven repositories. This is the maven searching ways also. Somebody they will call, guys. Somebody they will call. Okay. And I already told you maven has a some life cycle rules. Okay, maven has a some life cycle rules. Okay. We already discussed it here. Maven has a some life cycle rules. See here. Maven life cycle rules are maven places. You can see here. See, one is default, another one is clean, another one is site. See, in this default, what are the things it is available? Compilation and validation, testing, packaging, and install, verify, and deploy your packages. Deploy your packages like a var or jar files, it will be deploying, guys. Okay, it is which is you are going to be done. Come to this var or jar files are correct or not, it is going to be verifying one more time. Okay, another one is it is going to be installed. Okay, it is compiling your code, entire code it is compiling and it is validating. That means again it is going to be checking. Another one is JUnit test cases or integrated test cases, it will be there. After that, it will be giving as a packages, guys. After that, it is going to be giving as a packages. Okay. These these three are very, very important. Maven. When you are going to be run these Maven lifecycle rules only, after that only you're getting as a packages and all those things, guys. Okay. Another one is clean. And this clean, post clean is there, pre-clean is there, guys. After that, clean. See, whenever you are going to done all these things, it is automatically it will be clean or click clean, it will become. See here I already written. See, clean handles the your project cleaning, guys. Your project cleaning. That means your caches and everything, it will become whenever you run that build and all those things, it will be clean your project, guys. It will be clean your project. See, whenever you run the default, this entire life cycle will be run, guys. This entire life cycle means these all steps will be going to be run. Compile, validation, test, packages, install, verify, and deploy. All these seven will be run, guys. Okay, another one is clean. Another one is clean. Sorry, another one is site. Default, clean. Another one is site. That means, see which is your getting packages. Those packages will be deployed on this site, guys. That means it is going to be created as a your project website, guys. Your project website like that, it is going to be created. See how to integrate all those things while we are going to discuss in GNPS. That time I will tell you. Okay, don't worry. These are all the things, guys. Site and preset and all those things. And Maven having a goals or commands. Both are same, guys. Somebody they are going to be tell Maven commands or Maven goals. Okay, Maven commands are Maven goals. Somebody they will tell. Okay, both are same only. Maven commands always starts with MEN. I already told you guys. Okay, see you can write MEN compile Maven having a life cycle rules. Whenever you're going to be give default MEN run like that. Okay, there is an entire life cycle will be run. Instead of that, you're going to be run this MEN compile, verify. Okay, MEN test, install packages, aside MEN clean package. You're going to be run entire thing, guys. You're going to be run like this. Okay, and see whenever you want to run this Maven, you have to go to check this Maven file. Where this Maven file is available, there only your Maven commands will be work. Otherwise, your Maven commands does not work, guys. Why? Because in this form.xml file only your project is available and dependencies are available and group ID. That means where it is written. See your group ID, artifact ID, your versioning ID, your packages, everything it is available in that pom.xml file only. I will show you this pom.xml file. See, this is a pom.xml file. It is a repository from your, this is a central repository. Okay, this is a central repository. I took it from central, guys. Whenever it is a scratch, I'm going to take it from there only. Okay. Another one is version. If you can see version ID 4.0.0. Okay. Another one is group. Okay. Group ID. Okay. See, in group ID, I'm going to give as a this one. That means group ID means your project name or your future name also. You can, sorry, your project name or else I already written here. See, your project name or else your client name also. Client name is SBI. Project name is finance project. Okay. Project name is finance. Okay. That is a finance. Okay. SBI means it is a getting as a all finance accounts only. It is a or else you can make it as a accounts also. Okay. I'm giving as just example, guys. Okay. Don't confuse. Another one is version, guys. Another one is version. If you want to give this, or else you can give. You are going to take this URL from where you are going to take. It is a from central repository. Central repository. Okay. See, here is some of the properties will be there. Okay, some properties. In these properties, we are going to be add any third-party tools, guys. Any third-party tools like a Docker, Sonar Keep, like that. We are going to be add under properties only. We are going to be add. See, this file will be written by only developers. That time, developer will be add these properties, or else we can check and we can also add these properties, guys. You can also add under properties only. We're going to be add some third-party tools like a Docker, Sonar, like that. Okay. Another one is dependencies, guys. In these dependencies, again, we have a group ID, artifact ID, okay, version ID. Okay. Under this dependencies, we have group ID, artifact ID, version ID. Okay. Scope is JNU test cases, guys. Scope is JNU test cases where it is going to be written. See, another one is distribution management, guys. Another one is distribution management. In this distribution management, see, whenever you're getting as a some var or jar files, right? See, these var or jar files will be stored in somewhere, guys. Somewhere means that is called as a artifactory. That is called as a artifactory, guys. We're going to discuss while we're going to do this Nexus. Okay. While we're going to discuss about this Nexus tool, guys. But in this pom.xml file, we're going to be add under distribution management only. We're going to be add this Nexus tool. Okay. This Nexus tool only we're going to be add. Okay. Another one is plugins, guys. See, what are the plugins here I'm going to be add? See, maven plugins. Okay, you can see central repository I have taken. Here I written here. Okay, there is a only one small project, guys. This one. Okay, but in company, this file I have a lot of lines will be there. Lot of lines it will be there. Okay, but you have to wherever you are going to be add under properties only you are going to be add third party tools. Under dependencies, you are going to be at the dependencies, guys. Okay, under dependency tag. This is the tag you can remember under tag only. You're going to be write all the dependencies, guys. Another one is distribution tag. Under distribution tag, you are going to be add as a Nexus, guys. That means artifactory. Under tool also it will be there. Under tool is a JFrog, guys. Under tool is a JFrog. Okay. Those tools we are going to be called as a artifactory tools. Artifactory tools. Okay. What are your software will be after compiling? You are getting as a some packages like var or jar files. We are going to be stored here like as a 1.0 var file. I'm going to be stored in artifact 2.0, 3.0. Every version we are going to be add in Nexus Artifactory. And under development stage also, we are going to be add in this Nexus repository, guys. Okay. Nexus are JFrog repositories. Okay. And under plugins only, we are going to be add. Okay. This is pom.xml file, guys. This is the maven. Tomorrow, what we are going to do is, we are going to do how to install this maven. Okay. I already written here. Okay. How to install this maven. Okay. How to clone this project in maven. After, we are going to be write these maven commands. After that, this build will become like this myweb.r 8.2.0 or like that. Okay. I'm going to show you tomorrow how to install this one, how to build that your project. Okay. I already have that project. See, developer already developed and he already pushed the code into my GitHub repository, guys. Okay. Developer already done. My web already project it is there. Okay. Here he already written source code, guys. We already written source code. Okay. Form.xml file is there or not? I'm going to be checking here. See here. Form.xml file it is there. See here. Same things only. Here also it is available, guys. You can see here. If you want, you can clone my project and you can see also. There is no issue. It is all are public only. I'm going to be paste in chart. Okay. You can take, guys. It is available. Okay. Tomorrow we're going to be install. I'm going to be share all these documents. Okay. Same thing only, which is I will discuss. Same thing only. This form.xml. What are the things it is available? These configuration files and all those things inside this form.xml file. Same thing only. It is there only. Okay. These plugins, all these things. Okay. How to installing. Okay. What is snapshot of release? I will discuss. While next step, we already discussed about what are the fields are available and all those things. Okay. 3 fields are available like that. We already discussed it, guys. Okay. Don't be confused. Okay. What is this setting.xml file and all those things? So we will be discuss on. It is related to some integration time. It will become, guys. Okay. User management and all those things. That time I will discuss. Okay. But up to now, you can remember up to these maven targets and after build, what are the things it will be coming and all those things. Tomorrow, how to install this maven. After installation, what are the configuration files it is available. After that, we're going to be installed, and after that, we're going to check that packages are come or not. Okay. We already have this project, guys. I already shared that project link in chat box. Please take that. Okay. Any doubt, guys, up to now? Maven? Hello.
No worries.
Yeah, thank you, Abhi. Any other people up to now? Do you have any doubts from Maven? Okay, I'm going to close the section. Okay. Thank you, guys. I will share these documents. Okay, tomorrow I will share. Okay, don't worry. Today only theory part. Okay. Tomorrow we're going to be install this Maven, how to install and how to do build and all those things. Okay. Please take and see that
Okay.
how the project is available. Okay. I already shared that project link also. Okay, guys. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.